Hello and welcome to this Passion for Dancing video. My name is Leon and this is Kim, and right now we're going to be teaching you rolling of the arm in Jive. Let's do it to the count and a quick, 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 a quick, 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 a quick. And let's do another angle. And a quick, 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 quick. Let's do your steps, guys. So it's very similar to the steps in the whip, okay? So you do a rock step, so you go back, replace, and you're going to now do side, close, side as you start turning to the right. And then from here, what you're going to be doing is crossing right leg behind left foot. So this is like a Cuban cross position. As you push off the right leg, you continue turning the same direction, and then you're going to turn the lady underarm as you continue doing your triple step. So let me count it out now. So you're going to do quick, 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 quick. Ladies, let's do your steps now. So you're going to go with the rock step first, and side, close, side, turning slightly to the left, about a quarter turn or slightly more. And now you're going to do walk, walk. You're walking back in a circle as you're turning to the right. Then keep turning to the right, and then a three-step turn, left, right, left. And you can see Kim kind of gets back to the same position she started in, but you don't. So let's watch this again. Quick, quick, and quick, quick, and quick, quick, and quick, quick. Let's do the lead and follow here. So we're starting in right to right hand holds. There's different ways of doing it. We're doing it this way. So what we're doing is we're going to do the rock, step, and then I invite the ladies to my right side or my right hip, okay, as she gives me her arm, okay? So we still have two contact points. Ladies, you want to really bend your right arm to your waist or hip area, and kind of, you can see Kim has her arm out, and she still has a nice frame here. And then over on this arm, ladies, you're going to push out so the guy can take you here on your wrist. So that's quite important to get into that position. So let's watch that again from another angle. So it's going to be a rock, step, triple step. Yeah? So that's the first part. And you can see she's clearly on my right side. That's also crucial, okay? And then from here, what I'm doing now is using this whole frame to take her back. Yes, see, she can feel me. And all I'm doing is I'm turning my own body and making sure she feels that, making sure she feels my lead as we go around. So we step, step. And on the second step, now I'm going to start raising the right arm up, letting go here, and then just follow her as she's doing her underarm turn. So let's watch this from another angle. So same idea. So we go a rock, step, pick her up, and then turning her. I'm kind of the center of the turn here, so I stay on the spot. And then raise the arm up, letting go here, and turning her underarm with that one. Yeah, making sure, guys, at the end you're circling your arm so she can turn. Now for some tips, ladies. On that second walk here, you're gonna start turning already to the right. This is crucial. So let me show you the step here. We're gonna do rock, step, triple step. Now she's gonna walk, and then she's gonna walk back with the right, but she's just not just walking, she's already gonna be turning. So walk and turn it, ladies, and then that turn at the end is not gonna feel so scary because you already started turning from the previous steps. And guys, you're already bringing the arm up on that one, so it helps her. Let's watch Kim do the steps on her own so you can see it also. So she's gonna do rock, step, side, close, side, close, side. Now, ladies, you're going to walk around in a circle here, but watch, she walks back into the side, okay? So that second walk, already turning, ladies, to the right. And then she follows through with the rest of the step, which is just three-step turn, yeah? And we'll show it to you last time, and a quick, 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 a quick, 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 a quick. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.